Hi, you have tuned in to Maryw.Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate that. And to all of my returning viewers, thank you so much. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now, in this video, I will be continuing with the few palm branches that I have. Remember on my last video where I was showing you the vase of the palm branches and I added a pop of color to it. I will have that video linked so you can go back and play that video and you can see what I'm talking about. But I'm going to style this vase as well. This is a different vase and I am going to be using some sticks that I DIY and a few floral and the remaining of the palm branches. So if you guys want to see how I do this, just stick around and watch me. And here is the vase that I will be using. Disregard all of the other stuff that's on the table. I'm just only focusing on this beautiful vase right here. Guys, this is a glam vase. And as you can see, it doesn't need much styling because it can bring a pop to any room. So guys, I'm going to start by just using some branches that I got off of a tree, and I did a DIY on them by just spray painting them silver. I'm going to use these sticks that I DIY and I'm going to place them in this vase along with the remaining of my palm branches. I think I only have about maybe 3 or 4 at the most, so I didn't want to just throw them away, so I figured I can use them for something. And so I decided to just go ahead on and create another vase using my remaining palm branches. Okay guys, so I'm going to let you guys listen to some music as I style this vase. And guys, show me some love by letting this video play all the way to the end, and then subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and comment. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, here's the finished result for the first arrangement. I want to let you see what this looks like before I proceed on and add the palm branches. So this is what we have right now, and this is including my DIY sticks that I put in there and some of the floral and just a little bit of gold and a little bit of silver that I added. So I'm going to come back and let you see what it looks like once I add the remaining of the palm branches that I have left on hand. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead on and add these remaining of the palm branches. I think I only got like 3, but anyway, I'm just gonna add a pop of green to this arrangement, and you can see what it looks like with the palm branches. And I think the first arrangement turned out pretty nice, and I'm quite sure this one would turn out just as nice, but we are just adding a pop of green to it. So For the ones that just don't want all silver and gold and brownish sticks, this purple green can add some life to your vase. I mean, I like it the way it is, but like I say, I just like to just try and just see what this look like. And as you can see, this vase here, this arrangement is not as full as the one that I did with the black and silver vase. So like I said, I will have that particular video down in the description box below. Now this vase can be used for any room in the house. You can even use it on your dining table, especially if you got a larger table. I wouldn't use this on my small table, which only sits like 4, but I would most definitely use it on my larger table. Okay guys, here's the finished result. So this is what it looking like right now. So you can see that pop of green in there, and I think both of them look nice, guys. What do you think? You can just leave comments below and just let me know which one do you like, you know, the best, the first arrangement without the palm branches, or do you prefer this one over the first one? All right guys, and yes, I think it's looking nice, and I will be styling this one where you'll see it in probably 2 different areas. Now guys, these are live palm branches, so don't know how long they'll be lingering around, but I would try to move them around and show you different spaces in my area where I can use this. As you can see right now, I just got it sitting on this stand in front of the window, but I'm quite sure the next time when you see this vase, it will not be sitting in this space, but it will be used somewhere else in the house. And guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I really do appreciate that. And to all of my new subscribers, I see you. You have been rocking my videos as well. And guys, I am on my way to 600. So thank you guys for pushing me. Thank you just for being there for me. Love you guys. And I thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.